Welcome, welcome, cookie time is here. Mom, Sarah, and Jamie, let's all cheer. Yellow apron, blue apron, ready to play, learning numbers in a special way. Gather round, ingredients we need. Flour bag and fresh eggs, planting, learning seeds. Sunshine through the window, kitchen bright and clean. The best counting adventure we've ever seen. One big bowl, red and round. One is where our counting's found. Tap it gently, tap, tap, tap. One tap for our cookie map. Two little cups, pink and green. 1, 2 cups for our recipe. Shake, shake the cups, hear the sound. 2 cups go round and round. 3 eggs cracking, crack, crack, crack. 1, 2, 3 into the bowl. Let's whisper it, then shout it loud. 3 eggs make our cookies proud. 4 cups of flour, white and light. 1, 2, 3, 4, what a sight. Pour and measure, giggles galore. Clouds of flour drift on the floor. 5 spoonfuls of sugar, sweet and bright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in sight. Twirl the spoons, watch sparkles fall. Sugar makes our cookies call. 6 cookie cutters, shapes so neat. Star, heart, circle, sweet, triangle, square. Flour 2, 6 shapes for me and you. 7 chocolate chips go plop, plop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, they never stop. Toss them high, catch them quick. 7 chips will do the trick. 8 times stirring, round and round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mixing makes our cookies great. Stir fast then slow, 8 stirs and go. 9 little balls, soft and round. 1 by 1, treasures found. Roll them tall, roll them flat. 9 little cookies, imagine that. 10 minutes waiting, tick tock tick. 1 through 10, the time goes quick. Count together, sing along. Soon we'll hear the oven song. 1 red bowl to start our day. 2 cups to lead the way. 3 eggs cracking, hear them fall. 4 cups flour, that's not all. 5 spoons sugar, sweet and fine. Numbers 1 through 5 in line. 6 cookie cutters, shapes galore. 7 chocolate chips and more. 8 stirs mixing, round we go. 9 dough balls all in a row. 10 minutes baking, almost done. Numbers 6 through 10 we won. 10, 9, 8, 8, we wait and see. 7, 6, 5, clap with me. 4, 3, 2, almost there. 1 more second, cookies to share. Ding goes the timer, cookies are done. Golden brown, oh what fun. Steam is rising, smells so sweet. Time for our counting treat. Golden brown and perfect round. The most beautiful cookies we found. Shimmering, steaming, warm and bright. Our counting made them just right. Wait, wait, let them cool down. Hot cookies turn our smiles to frowns. Blow, blow, help them along. Patience makes our cookies strong. Point and count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, as sweet as can be. Rainbow numbers dancing bright. First 5 cookies, what a sight. 6, 7, 8, cookies work together. Bowls and spoons and cups, whatever, 6 items sparkling as we clean the tidiest kitchen we've ever seen.